This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the exact files you need and preserving the current state. First, back up Bgmi data and the loader config so you can revert if needed. Then, obtain the SDK package that precisely matches the loader version. Version mismatch causes failures. If you'll use a PC, enable developer options and USB debugging on the device. Once done, verify file integrity and placement, because mismatched or corrupted files are the most common blockers at this stage. You now perform the critical replacement and configuration edits. Carefully unpack the SDK into the loader's framework directory and overwrite only files that conflict, reducing risk. Next, open the loader config and update the SDK path, the version string, and checksum entries so the loader recognizes the new SDK. After that, set correct file permissions and owner to mirror existing binaries. Incorrect permissions block execution. Make sure each step is atomic and verify after each change to pinpoint issues fast. You finish by verifying behavior and addressing failures systematically. Restart the loader, run a controlled test, and monitor logs closely for error codes, missing symbols, or checksum mismatches. If it crashes, immediately restore your backup, then compare logs to identify the first failing operation. Reapply changes incrementally so you know which edit breaks things. One key troubleshooting tip: most unresolved errors stem from an incorrect checksum or a missing dependency library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.